Okay, so after making a decent amount of noise and cleaning this up the best that I could have with the grinder, I'm gonna paint this now with some high temp black, and that way it'll all be uniform, whatever. I guess that little crease that I made helped out because I was able to close up the light that you could see in there. Before you could actually see the light coming through, and now obviously it's just dark. You can't see where the pipe meets in there. But if I shine some light in there, you could see that basically I got about half inch of the pipe inside of here. So when I put the clamp back on, it's definitely gonna, clamp it. So that really ain't going anywhere once it's clamped. And yeah, we'll put the muffler back on. Let's get to painting it now for sure. After cleaning and fitting it.